Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use RSWAT for your modified SWAT model which has new parameters. So for example, you have a SWAT project and then in your SWAT project you have a new file. Let's say the file name is new file.nf. Okay. And in this file, you have a new parameters. When you modify SWAT model, often you introduce new parameters. And let's say that your new parameters is in this file, are in this file with the name, with the value, let's say initial value, any value. Let's say here, and your parameter name is parameter 1 and so on. You have 12, 111. And this is parameter 2 and so on. And to use RSWAT to calibrate these parameters, you need to define this parameter in the SWAT param.txt. Here's SWAT param.txt here. Okay, let's split it into two. So here, you can put anywhere in this file. For example, I put it here. So the first parameter param1 and the file in the file new file dot new file. Okay, add line number 3 in here. Start position is click here 1 end position click here. You see column 8, it ended in number 8. And you say 8 and precision is 3 number after the decimal, and the min mark is depend on the meaning of this parameter, which you should know. For example, let's say in this case from 0 to 10, okay, and so on. For the second parameter, you can copy this and paste, just change the name here to line number 4, and start position 0, and end position is column 9, and row up with 4. Let's say it has different range, for example 100. Okay, you can leave this empty or remove this. And now let's run RSWAT. Turn off this. Let's open RSWAT library, RSWAT, and show RSWAT user interface. Okay, and you want to use SWAT, modify SWAT model, just say SWAT here. And your working folder, let's say you have a working folder here. Control C. And your tag in, tag out folder, let's say here. And your executable modify SWAT, let's say it is here. And your SWAT parameter file here. You can click here and see. So your new parameters now are in here. Okay, parameter sampling. Let's say you want to calibrate this parameter. Here, method of change, replace, and also from 3 to 6, and see. And you can calibrate for the second parameter. Now check everything is correct. And you want to have 2 runs, just an example. And now just run it. Click here and run. We need to wait. Okay. Then click here, display parameter. So you want to change only one parameter, and the first value is 3.69 here. And now you can open the working folder. So it should has two take in, take out. But for example, the first one, new file, open this file. The parameter value should be 3.691. And for the second run, it should be 5.575. So now you have successfully used RSWAT to calibrate for your new parameter. Yeah. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.